Roborock seamlessly navigates room to clean without omission of your home, recharges, and resumes until the clean is done. 2000 paw strong suction, which you need most. Supplemented with botanical biomimetic mopping system, clear out your home thoroughly. You can press clean or schedule and monitor Roborock S65 with app as you wish. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. LDS Smart Navigation. The laser range sensor scans the room at 5 by 360 divided by second for distance information, which will then be computed with the SLAM algorithm to generate a real-time map based on it. An optimal route will be planned for efficient and completely clean. Number 2. Cyclone 3D Cleaning System. The powerful fan works like a cyclone up to 2000 paw high suction. The floating main brush fits well the floor, along with the side brushes and rolling brushes. Make sure the floor is completely cleaned, horizontally and vertically. Number 3. Bionic Mopping System. Botanical bionic design of the water tank keeps a steady water outlet but no water stain at rest. Plug-in water tank saves you from overturning the robot and avoid water leak. The edge of the mop cloth adheres to the robot tightly, preventing edge curling. Number 4. Carpet Pressurization. Specialized carpet pressurization mode can automatically identify the carpet and switch to the maximum suction to clean it. Once leaving the carpet, it will turn back to the former suction. Number 5. 5200 mAh battery capacity. 5200 mAh battery high capacity supports your robot running continuously for up to 180 minutes. Charge one time for multi-room coverage. Note: tested in Roborock's tech lab on hard floors. The running time may vary. Number 6. Washable E11 filter. High-efficiency E11 filter captures 99.2% of the dust. The filter is washable. Number 7. Smarter is faster. Roborock S65 always knows exactly where they're going, using powerful 32-bit quad-core processors, the same kind found in smartphones. They calculate the most efficient route for cleaning each room. Number 8. Breathtaking Suction. Powerful 2000 paw suction pulls dirt and pet hair off wooden floors as easily as it dredges it up out of carpets. Number 9. Reach more floors. Multi-level mapping systems use precision LiDAR scanning to recognize different levels of a home automatically. Every floor can have independent no-go zones, invisible walls, and no-mop zones. Number 10. Sense, Avoid, and More. The massive sentient sensor array with an accelerometer, odometer, infrared cliff sensor, compass, and more gives robots 360 degrees of sensing. They know where they are, can avoid stairs, find their way out of trouble spots, and keep your valuables safe. Number 11. Drop invisible walls. Protect your valuables with virtual no-go zones or virtual walls, all from the app. These can be as small as 0.4 meter 3 feet and as large as 10 meter 33 feet. Use them to protect everything from small vases to entire rooms. Number 12. Comprehensive voice control. A few words are all it takes to get a cleaner home. Start a cleanup. Send your Roborock robot to multiple rooms. Control multiple robots. Find a lost robot. Change suction strength. And more. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is there US support when the 12-month warranty has passed? Or will this have to go to China if support repair is needed? Answer: our Roborock support team will always be here to serve you even the 12-month warranty has passed, and you don't need to send it back to China. Question number 2. Just updated to the latest firmware that allows maps to be saved, but don't know how to use it. How do I save the map and how to recall saved maps? Answer: go to Settings to Cleaner to enable map saving mode first. It will save the map automatically. You could delete the current saved map to save another one. Question number 3. Does it work with the magnetic wall barrier or not? Answer: yes. It can work with the magnetic wall barrier. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.